Hi again and welcome back. Ledgers are the backbone of any accounting system. They're the central repository for all the accounting data of an organization and are pivotal to financial reporting. What makes me love SunSystem so much for more than 30 years, it's its combined and unified ledgers. It's such a unique concept, and I only know of one other system on this planet that is something similar. Okay, so I admit I am a little bit biased, but let's just think about this for a moment. What do you have to do using the traditional subsidiary method of ledgers? As you can see on the panel, this is the traditional ledger setup, where the nominal or general ledger is at the center and is surrounded by other subsidiary ledgers. Typically, you'd enter the data in detail in the subsidiary ledgers and they are batch updated to the GL, and this usually happens overnight. The GL doesn't hold any detail, only this summary control account of the subsidiary ledger. If you want to look at the detail, you need to look at the subsidiary ledger. These accounts need reconciliation, and typically the control account is completely out of whack with the subsidiary accounts, and seeking out what these underlying errors are is both time-consuming and very frustrating. Your books, of course, they're not in real time, and that itself can add even more stress to your close process and the demand for the continuous close and real-time reporting. Now let's compare this to the unified ledgers in SunSystems. There is only one ledger in SunSystems. It combines all the accounts and does not require any batch update or sub-ledger reconciliation. All the postings are carried out in real time. The idea behind this unified combined ledger is to avoid duplications and errors. The integration and the real-time processing ensure that all the accounts are always up to date and are always balanced. There are 5 types of account in the chart of accounts: profit loss accounts, balance sheet accounts, creditor or supplier accounts, debtor or customer accounts. And we have client accounts. These can be debtors or creditors, so think intercompany. And finally, we have memorandum accounts, which are not actually double entry, but we use them for things like statistics, like head count. And this is useful when we produce reports and we need to produce ratios based on these statistical data. Now let's summarize the advantages of these unified or combined ledgers. There are no sub-ledger reconciliations. It's real time. It's immediately available for reporting. It's easier to learn and it's easier to maintain. Wow, I know this is powerful stuff. Ready for the next superpower? Great! Let's power up!